The PlayStation 5 lineup of consoles and accessories continues to expand. Just a couple of months after the 30th anniversary sub was released, Sony has revealed another lineup of color variants, this time in all black. The new PlayStation Portal looks especially slick, called the Midnight Black Collection. The set includes the aforementioned PS Portal for $200, as well as DualSense Edge for $200, Pulse wireless headset for $150, and Pulse earbuds for $200. If you haven't already grabbed one of those accessories, the new versions offer an appealing alternative to their existing all-white counterparts. Otherwise, you'll be spending a pretty penny just to try out the new looks. The Midnight Black Collection launches on February 20th, 2025, with pre-orders going live on January 16th at 10 a.m. local time on the PlayStation Direct Store. Or so one would hope, at least. I don't envy anyone jumping back into the PlayStation Direct Store queue online after what happened last year with the 30th anniversary set styled after the original PlayStation. Long wait times, random lotteries, and confusion about when new stock would become available came together to make it a messy and not altogether great fan experience. The Midnight Black Collection currently already includes a standard DualSense and cover plates you can get for $75 and $55 respectively. But remember, despite being the same size, the PS5 Slim plates won't fit your PS5 Pro. Those custom color plates are coming at a later date.